Hello everyone, welcome to Sai Niketan online classes. In our previous class, we have started the solving the exercise 6.1 of linear inequalities. So in this class, we will solve some more problems, right? So here what I have written, solve the following inequalities for real value of x. Okay. So in a previous class, you have solved some of the inequalities. In that case, what are they given? They have given x is a natural number and x is a integer. In that case, you have written the solution by using the set. That set is called a solution set. Whenever they mentioned real value of x, it means that in such case you should write the interval, right? So you already know that if less than and less than and more than is there, then you should write the open interval, right? If less than or equal to, more than or equal to is there, then in this case you should use the closed interval. So here the endpoints are not considered, here the endpoints are considered. And also if it is a number line, here it is plus infinity and here it is a minus infinity. So here I will write, so here plus infinity and here it is a minus infinity and middle of this is a 0. If you go right side of this number line, here you are getting the positive numbers, left side of this you will get the negative number. So you should know about this number line to solve the inequalities. Okay, just you should remember this number line or imagine the number line. The right side of the number line you are getting the positive numbers, left side of the number line you are having the negative numbers, right? And we also know that solving the inequality is the same as solving the equation. Solving the equation is same as solving the inequalities, right? So what are the rules you are using to solve the equations? The same rules you have to use for solving the inequality. Okay, here the first one is solve the following inequalities for real values of x. So here it is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Here I will take this 4x to this side and I will take this 7 to this side. So 3 minus of 7 which is less than 5x minus of 4x. Okay, minus 7 plus 3 means minus 4 which is less than x, right? What is the meaning of minus 4 less than x? So what is the meaning of 2 less than 3? This implies 3 more than 2. Same way, minus 4 less than x, it means that x more than minus of 4. X more than minus of 4. Now, we should write the solution by using the interval. What are the real numbers more than minus 4? The real numbers more than minus 4 are, in the number line you are getting minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 up to infinity. So therefore here it is more than, here we should write the open interval minus infinity to plus infinity. So x belongs to this interval. Okay, next this one. Here it is again more than means your answer should be open interval. Here 3x is there, take this 3x to this side and take this minus 1 to this side. Here it is, after taking minus 1 to this side, 1 minus of 7 which is more than 5x minus of 3x. Okay, next. So here it is 1 minus 7 minus 6 more than 2x. Take this 2 to this side, hence it becomes a divide, right? So minus 6 by 2 minus 3 which is more than x. Or simply ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾವು, x less than minus 3, value of x less than minus 3. What are the real numbers less than minus 3? minus 4 minus 5 up to minus infinity. Here I should write minus 3 to minus of infinity. X belongs to this open interval. Okay, next this one. Now again it is less than or equal to is there, so therefore the final answer having the closed interval. Okay, first we should multiply this 3 to these terms. So what you are getting, 3x minus 3 howda ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 2x minus 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ, right. Take this 2x to this side, so hence it becomes 3x minus 2x which is less than minus 6 plus 3 howda, right. So x less than or equal to minus of 3. Again here you got x less than or equal to minus 3. So those real numbers less than minus 3, they are minus 4 minus 5 like that. Again it is less than or equal to, here we should write closed interval up to minus infinity. Whenever infinity is there, you should write for infinity to write the open interval. Howda? Okay, next this one. Multiply this 3 to this, so hence it is 6 minus 3x more than or equal to 2 minus of 2x. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಈ 2x ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 to this side, so 6 minus 2 and take this 3x to this side, so 3x minus of 2x. So what is the answer? 4 more than or equal to x, or simply we will write x less than or equal to 4. What are the real numbers less than or equal to x? They are 3, 2, 1, 0. Left side of the number line less than or equal to, here you should use the closed interval up to minus of infinity. X belongs to this one, right? So whenever x is a real number, we should write the intervals. Okay, now I will solve some more problems on this exercise. Now the next, so the fifth one, x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 which is less than 11. Sixth one, that is 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 which is less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x divided by 3. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯನ್ರಿ, ಹೌದಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2 3x by 5 plus 4 which is more than or equal to 1 by 3 x minus of 6, right. And some of the problems I will give the homework, right, and I will solve some of the problems here, right. Okay, again here, so solving the inequality is the same as solving the equation. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 1. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 is the LCM. Here you should multiply 6, here you should multiply 3, here you should multiply 2. 6x plus 3x plus 2x which is less than 11. ಹೌದಾ, ಈಗ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದು 11x divided by 6 which is less than 11. Take this 6 to this side, 11x is less than 6 into 11, or take this 11 to this side, right, 6 into 11 divided by 11. 11 and 11 will get cancelled, x less than 6, right. What are the real numbers less than 6? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right, up to minus infinity, and less than means should write the open interval up to minus. X belongs to the open interval. Whenever minus infinity is there, you should write open, right. Next this one, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ 3 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3x ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5. ಈ 5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 10 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5x ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 3x ಮೈನಸ್ 6 which is less than or equal to 5 into 10 minus 5x. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 9x ಮೈನಸ್ 18 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 50 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ 25x. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ 25 ಮೈನಸ್ 25x ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 25x ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 18 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇದು 34x ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 68 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 34 ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್, x ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 68 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 34. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2, ರೈಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. And here it is less than or equal to, here you should take the closed interval, right, closed interval 2 2, and here it is minus infinity. Infinity means you should write the open, x belongs to this. Okay, next ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 1/2 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ LCM 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದು 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು x ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3. ಹೌದು, ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್. ಈ 2 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು x ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20 ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಇಂಟು x ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ, 3 ಇಂಟು 20 60. ಹೌದಾ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 10x ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ 60. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ 20 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 60 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 60, right, which is more than or equal to 10x. Take this 9x to this side, minus of 9x. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 120 is more than or equal to 10x minus 9x means x, right. 120 more than or equal to x, we will write like this. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ, x less than or equal to 120, right. ಎಕ್ಸದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, 120ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ number line. So therefore less than or equal to, here you should use the closed interval up to minus infinity. So x belongs to this interval. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ left side of the number line and right side of the number line. Okay, we'll solve some more. Okay, next one. So the next one is 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 which is less than 6 into x minus 2, right. And here one more, that is 2x minus 1 divided by 3 which is more than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. So here it is a x. Okay, next. And here I will use some of the homework, right. So first I will solve this and later I will give the homework. Okay, next. So here again same, right. So I will multiply this one. So clearly 4x plus 6 minus 10, which is less than 6x minus of 12. ಹೌದಾ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 4x minus of minus 10 plus 6 minus 4 is less than 6x minus 12 as it is. ಹೌದಾ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ 12 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 12 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 6x ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ 4x. ಹೌದಾ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ 8 is less than 2x and 8 by 2 which is less than x. 4 is less than x. What is the meaning of 4 less than x? So we will write like this, x more than 4. Both are same. 4 less than x means x more than 4. So what are the numbers? What are the real numbers more than 4? So 4 to infinity. Here it is open, here open. X belongs to this interval, right? 4 to infinity. Next this one. So here I will write 2x minus 1 by 3 as it is, which is more than or equal to, what is the LCM? First I will take the LCM. It is 20 multiply 5 multiply 4. So clearly 5 into 3x minus 2 minus of, so here it is 4 into 2 minus of x, right? So before making cross multiplication, first I will simplify this term. So clearly 2x minus 1 by 3, which is more than or equal to 15x minus 10. Here it is minus 8, minus into minus plus 4x divided by 20. Other right. So 2x minus 1 by 3 as it is, which is more than or equal to 15x plus this one 4x. So clearly it is a 19x minus 18 divided by 20. ಹೌದಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 20 into 2x minus 1 which is more than or equal to 3 into 19x minus of 18. ಹೌದಾ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು 40x ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus of 20, right, which is more than or equal to 57x minus of 54. 18 into 3, right? So again, so take this minus 54 to this side, so hence it becomes 54 minus of 20 more than or equal to 57x, right, and take this 40 to this side minus 40x. ಹೌದಾ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 54 minus 30 20 means 34 is more than or equal to 57 minus 40. So clearly it is a 17x, right? Take this 17 to this side, 34 divided by 17 more than or equal to x, or 17 ones are 17 twos are remaining here I will write. So clearly here it is 2, right? 2 is more than or equal to x, right? So what is the meaning of 2 is more than or equal to x? This implies x is less than or equal to 2. X is less than or equal to 2, right? So clear less than or equal to means here it is closed up to minus of infinity. X belongs to this center. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So these are the some problems, and remaining some more are there. I will give the homework. So at the end I will give. So before that we have some more problems, right? So those are okay. The next problems here. Solve the following inequalities. Solve the following inequalities. Solve the following inequalities and show the graph of the solution on a number line, okay. So in that first one, 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. The second one, that is 5x minus 3, which is more than or equal to 3x minus of 5. Okay. And the third one is 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. Okay. Next. Okay. Here, so again it is solving the inequalities. So already you know that when x is a natural number and x is a integer, then you are writing the solution by using the set, that is called solution set. If x is a real number, then you are writing the solution by using interval. So here, after solving the inequality, we will show the solution by using number line also, right? So by using the number line also, right? So the same question here they have given, the solve the following inequality and show the graph of the solution on a number line, right? So before that, as usual, we have to solve this inequality. Okay. So here 3x and 2x is there. I will take this 2x to this side, right? Again here 1 as it is, and here it is minus 2, and take this minus 2 this side, hence it is plus 2. Okay. 3x minus 2x, x is less than 3. X is less than 3. X is less than 3 means if it is x is a real number, in this case we will write the interval like this. X belongs to this one. The same we have to show on a number line, right? So here it is plus infinity, and here it is a minus infinity, and here it is 0. Right side of the number line 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, and here it is minus 3. Okay, up to minus infinity. So here it is a less than. If it is a less than, clearly it is a open. If you want to show the graph on a number line, if it is a open interval, here I will write, if it is a open, right, then we have to take the circle, open circle. If it is a closed, then we have to make this circle as a dark. If you make circle dark, or if you take the dark circle, that shows closed. If you have to take the open circle, then that shows the open. So here it is a open and here it is a closed, right? The meaning of closed is you have to make the dark circle. The meaning of open is you have to make the open circle. Okay. So clearly it is a open means now those real numbers less than 3. It means that left side of the number line. So here I will take the open circle on 3 and I will show by marking the arrow, right? So this is the direction. You have to show the graph on the number line by showing the arrow mark. So the arrow mark is here. So the arrow mark is here means left side, right? So this arrow mark shows that the value of x less than 3. And here I have taken the open circle because this is a open interval. If it is a closed, you have to make the dark circle. Okay, so this is the solution of this inequality by using the number line. Okay, so the same one. So I will take this 3x to this side, so 5x minus 3x more than or equal to, I will take this minus 3 to this side, so 3 minus of 5, right? So clearly it is a 2x. 2x is more than or equal to minus of 2. Okay, next, so take this 2 to this side, so x is more than or equal to minus 2 by 2. Though what is the value of x? X is more than or equal to minus of 1. X is more than or equal to minus of 1. Next, so again here we should take the number line. So here I will take plus infinity, and here I will take minus infinity. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Minus 1, minus 2, and here it is minus 3 up to 1. Now, what are the values of x? Those values of x are more than minus 1. More than minus 1 means we will take 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So it means that you have to write the solution on a number line by using the arrow mark, that is the right side of the number line. Okay, so I will take minus 1 here. On the same number you have to dark the circle. So here I have made the circle dark because it is closed, and I will write the arrow mark here. Okay, so minus 1, and I have made the circle dark, and I have shown the arrow mark on the right side because on right side the number line those values are more than minus 1, right? If it is a open, I have to write the open circle, and if it is a closed, then you have to make the dark line. And you have to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು 0 ನಡ್ಬರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1ದಿಂದನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಬದಲು ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ closed and open interval, right? So we have one more. So here it is 3 minus of 3x less than 2x plus 8, ಹೌದಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ 3x ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬರೋಣ್ರಿ, ಈ 8ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 minus of 8 which is less than 2x, and take this minus 3 to this plus 3x, ಹೌದಾ? So clearly it is a minus 5 which is less than or equal to 5x. So ಈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಈ 5ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? minus 5 divided by 5 which is less than x, minus 1 less than x. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು? x more than minus 1, ರೈಟ್? ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. minus 1 less than x ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ ರೀ, x more than minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ plus infinity minus infinity, here 0, 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus. So same, ಇದು more than or equal to minus 1 ಇತ್ತು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು more than minus 1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೀವು 1ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ values of x they are more than minus 1 means 0, 1, 2, 3, again right side. So I will write like this, and I will show the arrow mark. Arrow mark shows that the solutions are lies right side of the number line. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಹೌದಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, and I will give some of the homework, right? So just you have to practice in your home. Okay, okay, here solve the following inequalities and show the graph of solution on a number line, right? So in that first one homework, x by 2 is more than or equal to 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus of 7x minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the exercise problem. You have to practice. 3 answer here, it is a 5. Second one is, that is a 7x plus 3, right, which is less than 5x plus 9. Show the graph on number line, right, and solve the second homework. Solve the following for real values of x. How x? So in that first one, so 4x plus 3, which is less than 6x plus 7, right. The second one is x by 4, which is less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, next. So I will give one more here. 37 minus 3x plus 5, it is less than, more than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x minus of 3. Okay, so these are the some exercise problems you have to practice, and in the next class we will continue. Thank you.